Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Oneplus unveiled their latest flagship smartphone, the Oneplus 60 in India, and in this video let's talk about the top 5 reasons why you should not purchase the Oneplus 60. Calm down Oneplus fans, hear me out, and if you guys think my points are not valid, you can bash me in the comments below. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. The first reason to skip the Oneplus 60 in my opinion is the price. OnePlus marketed themselves as flagship killer back then when they launched the OnePlus One. With each iteration the price has gone up and we are now close to 40,000 for the base variant. With Xiaomi launching Poco F1 at budget friendly price, I expected OnePlus to price their phone quite aggressively, especially in Indian market. OnePlus is not a flagship killer anymore, it is just an aggressively priced flagship smartphone. The next main reason to skip the Oneplus 60 is that the device lacks the headphone jack. You can see the reaction of fans in YouTube comment section and other social media platforms, and it's not quite positive. OnePlus claimed that 59% of OnePlus users do not use the headphone jack, instead they use wireless headphones. It's 2018 and many OEMs are removing headphone jack, but OnePlus hears their customers' feedback and I thought OnePlus would be the last company in the boat to remove the headphone jack. It's the other way around with the 60. So are you guys happy with OnePlus decision to remove the headphone jack? Share your thoughts in the comment section or in polls. The OnePlus 60 also lacks the official IP rating. OnePlus claims that the device is water resistant, but there is no official IP rating for the device. Considering the price the phone is sold for, they can include IP rating for their flagship smartphones. The next reason is the device lacks wireless charging. Yes, OnePlus 60 supports dash charging and the device comes bundled with the dash charger in the box. But wireless charging is a standard feature of every flagship smartphone which is missing in 60. The camera on the OnePlus 60 shares the same hardware as OnePlus 6. The camera performance of OnePlus 60 is quite identical to the OnePlus 6 and there is literally no difference between the 6 and 60 sample. I will leave the camera comparison video of OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 60 from Mr. Phone in the description, you can check them out. Apart from these major issues, there are other things worth pointing out, like the device lacks the notification LED and there is no expandable storage. The OnePlus 60 also has the first generation of in-display fingerprint scanner. The technology is fairly new and in the long run, as users we might face some issues. So we need to consider all these facts before purchasing the OnePlus 60. To me, the OnePlus 60 is an incremental upgrade from OnePlus 6. Is it worth the 38,000 price tag? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.